thruway, there are miles and miles of car carriers that they've been adding to. There has to be 30 miles of them right now sitting on the track since before Christmas.
And like I said, this thing is massive. We don't wake up. Some people on YouTube might say, well, you know, I'm just paranoid and whatnot, but again, I state the facts. They've built FEMA camps. That's a fact. Look at what Glenn Beck said. Glenn Beck came on TV, said he can't debunk these damn things. He can't debunk the FEMA. I gotta cut it for now. Back to it. Get some more footage, see how far down this thing goes. See if it looks different from that point down there to this point. See if they've begun refitting it with benches or what they've done. But I'm telling you right now, this camera will give me a break. Alright, camera shot, guys, but this thing ain't right. This is not a normal train, not for this city. It's easier getting up than it is getting down, that's for sure, especially when your fingers are numb. I mean, you can see this thing just goes on for miles. Look, I mean, that's a good mile and a half up there. I'm trying to